I was just sitting down in the living room and Cameron comes up to me and puts a sticker right here. Like, of all places, he puts it right here.
She feels a bolt of ice shoot.
Oh, I just spilled so much. Guys, I'm so excited. I got my new Factor package. So I purposely set my Factor delivery to come the day after we got home from our trip. You guys know how it is when you get home from a trip, it's just chaos. So I just have to get back into work, like full swing back into work mode. I have events this week and also with like unpacking, and not to mention the exhaustion from coming home from the trip. You guys know, you guys saw my last video, like traveling with 3 kids is a workout in itself. Like I felt like I ran a marathon when we came home from the airport last night, but my Factor delivery just came in the mail and I'm so excited. If you guys have never heard of Factor, let me put you on real quick because it is so good. It is fresh, never frozen meals delivered right to your door. So as you guys can see, you have your ready-made meals. And I tell you guys, the meals are so good, and just having ready-made meals for me in the fridge just helps me stay on track. You guys know Mel and I are just on a whole new lifestyle journey, and we want to make better choices and eat right and just not eat out as much. So the key really is to just have meals ready for you in the fridge. So you don't have to think about it. There's no prepping, there's no cooking, just grab and go, and it just makes it so easy to stay on track. Factor has a ton of meal plans depending on your dietary needs, and I love how on the back you have your macros, you have your calories, fat, carbs, the ingredients, you have everything there for you, so there's no guesswork. And they have a really cool add-on. So you guys see I always get the shakes, but this time we decided to try out their juices as well. So I got a whole variety pack. So this one right here is carrot orange ginger. I got apple beet ginger. This one right here is apple kale and wheatgrass. And I decided to try out their protein shakes this time too, because they have the seasonal flavor. They got pumpkin spice. I'm like, all right, I gotta try this one out. These have 18 grams of protein per shake. I just like chugged that, but that was so good. Oh my gosh. This tastes so good, and it only has 4 grams of sugar. And I like the fact that they made it with almond milk. I need to decide which meal to make today for my lunch. So I have roasted garlic chicken. I've actually had this one before. This is grilled chicken and brown butter Yukon mash. That sounds tasty. Red pepper queso chicken, sun-dried tomato fusilli. So this is a pasta. I have one more left. Honey maple barbecue ground beef. Ooh, that sounds good. So my Factor package got delivered while we were still in Ohio. So I texted my neighbor and I was like, hey, you want to take my Factor box this month? And they texted me a few days later and they're like, it is so good. They ended up actually ordering a whole new box for themselves. So when I tell you, everybody loves it. You guys can head to factor75.com and use my code Kavari50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. So make sure you guys click that link down below in my description box, and let's cook this up because I am starving and I'm gonna finish my protein shake as well. You can reheat these in the microwave or the oven. So I just reheat it in my toaster oven. I just prefer it that way, but it tastes just as good in the microwave. Guys, I've been obsessed with mushrooms lately. Before I heated it up, there was like this block of butter with the vegetables that like melted when it cooked. And I think it's like an herb butter, but it is so good with the green bean and the mushroom. Mel just had one of the shakes. Did you like it?
That was very good.
Yeah, that pumpkin spice flavor is so good. The babies saw me eating and they were like, So I'm gonna cut them up some chicken. As you guys can see, I cleaned my plate. So make sure you guys check out Factor for yourselves. Again, the link is down below. Use my code Kavari50 to get half off your first box. One thing with coming home from a long trip is I have so many packages to go through. I actually had somebody bring all of our packages in through the garage. So, you know, our packages weren't just like sitting outside so they wouldn't get stolen. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm about to do for the next hour is just go through all these boxes. I also have some in the front of our house, like by the front door. So we got a lot of packages to get through.
Dolo, baby, working on self-control, baby, feeling good anti-social, damn, you know I hate the clubs.
I need to handle this suitcase. I've already taken out a majority of the stuff. Like I took out most of my shoes, my makeup, my skincare. So the only thing left in here is really just clothes. So why am I out of breath right now? I am just gonna see like what I can divide. I'm gonna try to get the dirty from the clean, but honestly, I did laundry before we left, so a lot of this is clean. I'm not gonna fully put away everything, but I just want all my clothes out of the suitcase so we can put away the suitcase and it's not like taking up space in the bathroom, you know?
Dolo, baby, working on self-control, baby, feeling good anti-social, show up. Maybe if I drink enough, I'll make my way over to you. Homegirl told me you would be here. Besides you, ain't no one to see. It's a Saturday, shopping in LA, yeah, that's your shit. On the second floor, with your pants down low, hanging off your hips.
Guys, I'm dead. I was just sitting down in the living room and Kayvon comes up to me and puts a sticker right here. Like, of all places, he puts it right here. But I'm about to get dressed. My hair and makeup turned out so good. You guys know this is like my go-to makeup, but today it turned out extra good. I used a different primer. I don't know what exactly I did different today, but I'm feeling it. I've been playing around with my foundations a lot. Like, I've been using a different foundation every time. So I really like this combo that I did of the primer with the foundation. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Water Cream. And then I used the e.l.f. Liquid Putty Primer. And then I used the YSL 24 Hour, I think it's called like the all-nighter foundation. But yeah, I really like my base. And then my hair, you guys saw Chris came over and gave me a blowout, but I'm about to put on my dress. Okay guys, I am dressed and ready to go. So I'm wearing this dress from White Fox Boutique. I love it so much. It's super simple, but then we have this detailing down the middle and the cutouts. Guys, I feel so good. This is like my first night really putting on a dress after my surgery. So I'm gonna be 6 weeks in a few days. So it is still technically a few days too early. It's all right for one night, you know? So yeah, guys, I'm taking the new girls out for a spin. But yeah, it looks so good. I love it.